Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube app in Portrait and ensuring auto-rotate is enabled on your phone. Once done, locate a vertical video or one with a vertical crop option. These display best. If you're in a browser, make sure the page isn't zoomed and that the address bar won't force layout changes. You want the app or site ready so the next steps, rotating the player and adjusting controls, work instantly without extra toggles or permissions. Now tap the video to reveal controls and try a gentle pinch to zoom to fill the screen. This often switches aspect behavior. If the app shows a rotate icon, tap it. Otherwise, physically rotate your device and let auto-rotate reflow the player into portrait. For stubborn cases, make sure YouTube's full screen is off, then use a trusted 90 degrees rotation app to force portrait orientation. But use that only if native rotation fails. Finish by adjusting volume and brightness so you can watch comfortably in portrait, and enable captions if cropping hides visual cues. If you see black bars, pinch to zoom or change quality to get a cleaner crop. Some videos maintain bars by design. If the player refuses to stay in portrait, restart the YouTube app and toggle auto-rotate off then on. That often clears glitches. If problems persist, reboot the device or update the app to resolve persistent orientation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.